So in Primavera, we will see now level of effort activity in detail. So for that, I am just going to create a new project under one EPS. For example, here I am just going to create a new project and I'm just going to finish it. So after, I am just going to select the project and opening it. So select, right click and then open project. So it will go to the activities. So where you can able to add your activity. For example, now I am just going to add an activity. So first activity I am just going to take as level of effort. So and then I am just going to add another activity that is like task dependent activity. So another activity that is also task dependent activity. So now I'm just going to give a relationship. See now because it is like a level of effort activity, now we can able to see the difference here. So normally here it won't display. So you can just right click and you can go for bars, and after in bars you can able to go for selecting this one remaining level of effort, and you can go for selecting it, and this is what the preview we have, and colors and everything if you want you can change, otherwise you can just apply and you can just go for OK, then you will be getting this. So by default it won't be here. So now I can go for relationship. So level of effort I'm just going for relationship. So I'm just going to assign like successes. I'm just going to add this to, I'm just going to select and then I'm just going to change the relationships. For example, for this I'm just going to have start to start, and the next one I'm just going to have finish to finish. So we have this kind of relationship now, but and also for the other activity we can go for assigning successes. Okay. So by default it is having 4 days duration. So if you want we can able to change it. For example, I'm just going to put 8 and then I'm just going to put 6. Okay. Now we have assigned 3 activities. One is level of effort, and which is having start to start and then finish to finish successes. Now we can able to see from here the arrows also. Now we can just go for scheduling it. So I'm just going to schedule. So here we can able to change the differences. Now it is like showing only 8 days once you scheduled. So the dates became 14 day and the finish date also changing. Now can you able to see? So the level of effort depends on the predecessor or successor duration. So normally level of effort we can't able to input any duration directly. So for example, if I am just putting like this, so it will take. So but once you're scheduling it, so it will go back to the duration which depends on the predecessor or successor activities. So that is what level of effort. So normally we can able to say this level of effort activity can't be a critical activity. So that's why here the box is like unchecked. So we can able to see the red color. So if it is in red color, then we can able to say that is like a critical activity. And this level of effort like can't be a critical activity even if it is like having longer duration. So total duration of that depends on the relationships that it has. So it is having relationship of start to start and finish to finish. So that's why it is having the duration of 14 days, and it can't be a critical activity. So if you want any activity like this, you can able to put as level of effect activity, and you can able to work with. Now if I'm just putting some lag here, for example, here I'm just going to put a lag of 2 days, and now I'm just going to schedule it. So this is like start to start, and it is not taking the lag, but if you're putting in finish to finish it will consider. For example, I'm just going to put 0, and here I'm just going to put a 5. Now I'm just going to put schedule, Now can you able to see that like so it becomes 9 days. So before it is like 14 days. Now 5 days, like it is in lag. So that is what lead and lag. So we don't have any lead option. So we can able to put minus in that case. So minus lag we can able to call as lead in Primavera. So I'm just going to put minus 5. Now I'm just going to schedule it. Now we can able to see normally it takes only 14 days. Now additional 5 days. This is like a lead. So totally it becomes 19 days. So the longest duration in this project it is like this activity, but it won't be a critical activity because it is like a level of effort activity. So like this you can able to have level of efforts in your project. So another thing we can call this as like activities which don't have any constraints. We can't able to input any constraints to level of effort activities. For example, I'm just going for status, and where you can't able to put any constraint to this activity. We can able to put only start and finish dates. That dates also depends on the relationships. That also we can't able to update. So it doesn't have any constraints. So we can't able to select the constraints for level of effort activities. But it is having total float of 5 days. That only we input there like a lag of -5. So it is having the total float as well. So these things it will be there, but we can't able to input any constraints.